Mission CISD, in response to COVID safety protocols, purchased several touchless water fountains. Every campus will have access to touchless water fountains to be able to allow students to access water without cross-contamination from an individual that may not be feeling well for that day. To date, we have already installed approximately a little bit over 100 of the 190 water fountains. If they continue with that, they should be able to finish installing all the ones that we have recently purchased by the time school starts. Right now, there's 190 water fountains that are going to be installed, and so that may leave just a few that remain that need to be purchased to continue with a full 100% installation. The ones that are not replaced at this time will be off limits for use during this time, and then once we are ready to replace those will be replaced as well. Mission CISD has taken a lot of effort to keep abreast of COVID safety protocols, monitoring local, state, and federal guidelines on a daily basis, and taking all necessary precautions to make it a safe learning environment for our students.